You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'll be doing two sets of analysis. The first one is on BTCUSD chart right here, and also I'm going to show you the next altcoin to buy for this upcoming altcoin season, because we all know that after a massive pump in Bitcoin right here, the altcoin market is going to pump massively in the next coming days, and you have to prepare for it and know certain altcoin you want to actually buy. So let's dive right into the video. So please ensure you subscribe to this very channel right here, Remit Trade. Leave a like and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. So let's dive right in here. Now, in my previous video right here on this very channel, I talk about the market hitting $55K. That was 2 days ago. You see the market now is about $55,000 right now. So the market has already reached $55,000 and is retracing a little bit to the downside. So what should you expect in the market next? If I draw this very trend line, I talk about this very line moving right down. So if you see this trend line broken, like I spoke in my other video, I talk about this very trend line broken right here. We see the trend line break and the market move right way up to our predicted target, exactly as I predicted in my previous video. So right now, if you take this opportunity, congratulations to you taking on this very trade for the market to move right way up. So thank you very much, guys, for following this very analysis. It was massive on this very channel. So the question is, what should you expect next in the next coming days on this very price of BTCUSD chart? So listen attentively. Now, if you look at this very chart right here, we were looking for the market breaking this very major resistance line, and we see the market did break out, and then it is at this level right there. If you look at it very well, you see that this very level where the market is right now is a very strong resistance that we see. This was a resistance level as well, and we have another resistance right here. We have another resistance right here as well, and you see this resistance level is a very key level, and the markets have to react to this very resistance right here before it will eventually go back up. So right now, you must understand how to trade this very level and what you should be looking out for in the next coming days. So right now, what I am expecting on this very chart right here is a little bit of retracement to the downside, and then after that retracement, I am still very much optimistic of the Bitcoin price going right way up and creating a new high. Like I said right there, when the Bitcoin price have not broken this very resistance level, that I was very much optimistic of the price breaking this level and creating a new high higher than this previous high right here, and the market did. So right now, I am expecting the market to go back down a little bit, and then we should see the market right way up. The reason being that after every impulsive move in the market, we should expect the market to come back right now. And where I'm expecting the market to pause is on this very line right here. So I'm expecting the market to stop here, and then I am expecting the market to pause right down here. So within this level, the market can retrace to this very level, and then market will go back up again. So I am expecting this very retracement in the market, and it's going to happen in few days from now. So the market is going to go back down either on this very level before it move back up, or come to this very area of resistance, which then on support for the market to go back up. So that is what I am expecting on BTC right now in the market. I am still very much optimistic on BTC rising far way up and creating a new high higher than the all-time high right here, and the market is going to do exactly the same. So what you should expect in the next coming days, a recap, is that the market should go back down a little bit into this very area right here, or come into this very resistance zone, which will turn support for us to enter the next move to the upside again in the market. And when the market did, expect the market to create a new high, and it's going to do exactly as I am telling you right now. The reason is because if you look at previous price action, which I will do a video on that, on Bitcoin market cycles that we have seen in previous years back, guys, you will see that this very move have to actually obey and create a new high. The next altcoin pump market is coming right now into the market, because we know that after every insane BTC move right here, altcoin will definitely pump with it after the market retrace back down or consolidate for a while. So we are expecting the altcoin market to pump in the next few days from now. So what are the altcoins that you can get your hands on to get insane gain? I am going to show you right now the altcoin that you are going to buy and you're going to make insane profit. So the first altcoin that I will want you to get some hands on that is very low as well is ADA. Now, if you look at ADA right now at this very level, you see it pumps right way up to this very area and the market is going right down. So if you use your Fibonacci retracement right here, if I draw my Fibonacci retracement from swing low to swing high right here in an uptrend, you discover that the market has already touched the 0.50% level. The market is at this very point right now, and it has a great potential of moving drastically to the upside. Now, guys, this very area is a nice time for you to buy ADA, and when you will actually take this position is when you see a breakout of this very line. So if you see the market move drastically with a bullish candle that closed above this line right here, then you should take a long position on this very altcoin ADAUSD chart right there. Reason being that this price have confirmed a fail swing right here, and the market has gone up a little bit and then retracement. So we should expect the market to pump a little bit, and you should enter this market only when you see the market form a bullish close above this very yellow horizontal line at this very point, guys. I'm talking about this very area. So the next altcoin I wanted to buy as well is XLM. XLM right there is going to do massively well in the next coming days. We've seen XLM when the market drops drastically right down, it has increased a little bit, and then right now it has moved from this very area to this very level. It has a very great potential of increasing far way up, creating a new high than this, and I am expecting the market to move back to this very level before we see retracement at this very point. So within this area, that is where it's going to move right to. So this is also a nice coin to buy right now and hold it in your portfolio for the next altcoin season. Then the last altcoin I wanted to buy right now is Solana. So right here you see Sol at this very area right now. You see the market has moved back down and then the retracement, and then we see a little move to the upside, and the market is at this level. Now, if I go back to the 4-hour chart, you see something very different and unique at this very area. So if you look at this very well, the markets go back right down, and then it move back up, and then it retrace. So if I use my Fibonacci here, if I use Fibonacci retracement and I move the market from this area and then back to swing high right here, and then you see that the market has already touched the 0.618 level at this very point and is going up right now. So this is also another coin to hold for the next altcoin season. If you look at it very well, this was the last area where we see the market touch before it's begin to move to the upside. And then we are not expecting, I personally, I am not expecting the market to drop below this very line. That is, if we see the market go down, it should not drop below this very level. So it's another right time to hold so for a long time, and also for the next altcoin season that is going to come in to the market, guys. Now, these three coins, ADA, XLM, and SOL, is going to do right way up, just as we are seeing Shiba Inu going right up now in the market. Now, if I take a look at Shiba Inu price right here, now one thing very fascinating is that I have been holding this coin for a long time, not now. Right here, SHIBUSD, we see the market right far way up, and then this is not the right time to enter this very market again. So because the market moved from here to this very area, we are expecting the market to retrace back down. So after the retracement, is when you can enter, and then look forward for this market to retrace to this level. And then the next level where you expect the market to retrace to is this very area. When market comes back down to this level, it will be a nice time to buy again, or when markets go back right down to this level, it will be another nice time to buy again for the next move in the market. Now, Shiba Inu, it's a very nice coin to hold in your portfolio for a very long time as well. Now, from analysis, please ensure you hold a little bit of Shiba, but even though you are holding, it's not a nice time for you to buy right here, because it's going to go right down and then you can buy at a better price. So that is that, guys, for altcoin that you have to hold for the next altcoin season that is coming up right now in the cryptocurrency space. Please help subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Let's grow this channel together. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.